Hi everyone, it's Julie from Crafty J's Place. I'm going to do a quick unboxing video for you. And please like and share my page. So, big box today, only a little stuff though. So we have our 4-inch squeegee for big transfers. We have our fine mist sprayer that will just put enough water into our chalk paste. There you go, you can see it. It would be so cool to use even on a hot day. So that is distilled water in there. We got our board erasers. I've got 2 of them. We have 2 transfers today. Happy Halloween. And it is a C size. And we have Mr. Bones here, Spine Chillin' and Beware. And you can put him into whatever different positions that you need him to be in. We also have 5 catalog fall and winter catalogs up for grabs. If you put in a $50 order, you can get one of these books catalogs for free. We also have our transfer trimmers that are Chalk Couture, and these are for cutting, perfect for cutting our transfers apart without getting any of the sticky residue on our blades. We have 35, I believe, of chalk pastes. And we also have inks for permanent. We have these chalkable chips that can be reversed. There was just a new holiday mini catalog launched, so if you're interested in that, comment below and I will get you the links to that. We also have for our tools stir sticks to stir our paste, and they fit equally right into the little groove. And we have squeegees. That one needs to be washed. We also have our fuzzy towels. Fuzzy on the one side, microfiber on the other side, for easy for drying our transfers when you need them quick. We have lots of different transfers for the season, for Christmas.
Tell them to keep an eye out for me on my page tonight.
We will be back shortly, and my daughter is going to do a Teen Tuesday reveal on a special transfer. So stay tuned.
And there's also a special surprise. I love this.
So, anybody want any information on joining my team? Put join down below. Lots of perks and stuff. Anybody want to join the club, monthly club? which is a special B-size transfer. So this size of a transfer, delivered straight to your door for $26.99, and you get 3 chalk packets. Put club down below, and anybody that wants to get in to get a free catalog, add me, and I will get you the group link for that. All right, catch you soon. Bye, everyone.